The vast majority of the time that the New Testament uses the word group for deacon, the diakonos word group, it's actually not referring to the local church office of deacon. It's referring more generally to a servant or a minister. The New Testament uses the noun diakonos 29 times, and all but 3 or 4 of those times are referring to Christians as servants or ministers generally. And yet, there are 3 or 4 times, one of them is debatable, that the New Testament is referring not just to generally servant-hearted persons, but to specific church officers, namely those who have been raised up and deployed by a congregation as exemplary servants to assist the elders by promoting unity, by accelerating the ministry of the word, and by guarding that ministry so that the gospel can advance to the ends of the earth.